Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today we're going to be setting up the month of January in my Hobonichi Cousin. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, I've already done a whole setup of my beginning pages in my 2022 cousin. If you guys did not see that video, I'll leave a link to that down below. I did one in this one, which is the colorful version. I also did one in a brand new neutral version. This is actually going to be my main planner though, where I put everything in it. So I am going to be setting up my January. I can't believe it's almost 2022. I am so looking forward to 2022. I do feel like it is going to be one of our best years. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Now, all of our kits are the same type of format where it has the two long washi strips at the bottom. Now, the Hobonichi Cousin, every now and then have an extra day or two at the bottom, and instead of making it like smaller where all of the boxes fit up top, they decide to put the box down at the bottom. So what I do is actually just cut the washi so that it fits. I also rub it on my hand just to take away a little bit of the tackiness so that it doesn't completely stick permanently to the pages. The Hobonichi Cousin pages are super thin, so I'm always making sure that I don't tear the pages. So I'm using my little slice tool to cut down the middle so that I can see the 31st day of the month, and then you guys can see I'm just pulling it up super slow. So if you guys have not used this, it is so nice and handy. I'll leave a link to that down below if you guys want to check it out. So then I'm just going to put down the other washi strip on the right hand side. So I wanted to make sure that I could see the Happy New Year and then the 2022. So I designed my kits so that you guys can do that, and you can also use that extra sticker washi strip for the rest of the layout as well. So I'm putting down the little January banner over the black box there. And then I'm just going to put down the rest of my sidebar stickers. Now I create these kits so that you can put down whatever stickers you like on the sidebar. I have 4 of these check boxes and they can fit all the way down. I like to split mine up into 3 different categories, but sometimes I like to put 2 of the check boxes in one, especially if I use it for designing stickers. That can be like a whole 4 checkbox stickers, but for this month I'm going to split it up into 3 different sections, and then I'm going to write everything in. Once I put down all of my stickers, I like to actually lay all of my stickers down first before I actually start writing and everything. And that goes for my daily and my weekly planning as well. So I like to have my base kit down first, and then I start writing everything in. That way I have an overall feel of how I want my day, week, and month to go. So I'm putting down all of the full box stickers. Now all of our Hobonichi Cousin monthly kits come with 4 full boxes. So sometimes you have a couple boxes empty from the previous month and then a couple from the end of the month. So this month there's actually 5 empty days. So I'm going to put down all of the full boxes up top to cover those days. And then I'm also going to use a little extra page flag to cover up the extra 5th date. So I put down all of my date covers at the same time. That way you're just not watching all of the date covers go down. And now I'm just looking for all of my holiday stickers in my sticker album. I am so in love with this sticker album, guys. I do plan on doing a whole nother video on my sticker album. I am going to be setting up an actual like seasonal holiday sticker album. So if you guys want to see that video, let me know down below. Now I'm putting down a little event sticker and then layering that with my New Year's Day sticker. Oh my gosh, guys, can you believe it? It is almost 2022. I am so excited. I definitely feel like 2022 is going to be a much better year than the last 2 years. I certainly hope so anyway. So I am grabbing my sticker album again. I wanted to find like a little fun celebration sticker for Friday the 14th because that is when our new collection will be going live in the shop. Now for January, that means it's going to be our March collection. So I always try and get our new collections done 2 months ahead of time. So for our subscribers, they just were sent the February collection, and that will actually be live in the shop this Friday, the 17th. So we usually release them to the shop the second week of the month or sometimes the third, depending when our subscribers get their kits. So I'm just putting down the rest of the event stickers on Sunday for my YouTube videos. And then I also want to add a birthday sticker for my sister's birthday on the 28th. I have so many fun ones, but I think that this cute little cake present is going to work for the New Year's look for January. Yeah, it looks so, so cute. And then I'm also going to put down the rest of my event labels down on Tuesday. Now I design on Tuesday, so I kind of like to highlight that so I make sure that I stay on schedule. And then I'm also going to put down some of my icon stickers. Now I like to hold on to the money icons. I don't keep track of my payday or budget in this planner, but I do like to keep track of my purchases in this planner. So once I make a purchase, which will definitely happen, I will put it in here, but I'm going to hold on to those until it happens. So I'm just putting down all of my icons on special days for the month, and then I'm going to write in all of my sidebar sections. So like I said earlier, I'm going to have 3 different sections for my sidebar, one for YouTube, one for Etsy, and one for my personal life. So anything that comes up, appointments, YouTube videos, of course, those will be going out on Sundays. And then anything for Etsy. So for Friday, I have my March collection going out. I also like to have other release days, so that will be on here as well. Anything that I have already scheduled, I like to have in my monthly section. Now I am pulling up my extra sticker here that I have on Tuesday and moving it over to Wednesday since I know that I'm not going to be designing on Tuesday because all of our sticker subscriptions will be going out this week. So the 5th is the last day to sign up for our sticker subscription, and that will be of our March collection. So those start shipping the 6th through the 10th of the month, and then the collection will be live in the shop on the 14th. So if you're not signed up to our subscription, I will leave a link to that down below. It is sold out right now for our February kits, but subscriptions will open on the 26th of the month. It usually opens on the 20th, but I didn't want people to think that they were going to be able to get it before Christmas. So we're going to hold off and open it the day after Christmas. So if you do sign up for our newsletter, I will send a reminder at the end of this month so that you guys don't forget. So I just pulled up a large strip of washi from our add-on kits for our weekly collection to block out all of the days that I will be printing and cutting all of the subscriptions. So they do start shipping from the 6th to the 10th, but I always make sure that I have these 3 days to block out if I have any other stickers to cut, especially since Monday is going to be the last day to get all of those bundles shipped. So I'm just finishing up by putting in my sister's name for her birthday on the 28th. So happy birthday, Jennifer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, maybe got a couple of ideas on how to set up your monthly section. I have all of my YouTube videos, all of my personal and my Etsy in this planner. And next week I'll be setting up my weekly section in this planner. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!